Okay, we're back on Route 83 northbound, and people are driving like asses. This guy doesn't know how to drive. Okay, yes he does. They're just very cautious drivers here. We're going over the bridge. Look at this field of snow. Look at this. This is like the river goes to Chicago that way. And this way there's a canal. Here's a river. Wait, I'll show you in a second. This is okay. Oof. Someone doesn't want to let me get by. Here's a river. Look at that. Check this out. The mist is rising, and I'm chilled to the bone. This guy's a jerk right here. He was trying to cut me off earlier. Okay. Look at this. We're in the bridge. We're in a canal. These people are leaving to go into the woods. Alright. Actually, the streets aren't so bad. They plow pretty good, I must say. I'm getting over because these people are driving like real slow on the right. They're very cautious drivers. And probably people that haven't driven before so well. Here's another bridge, and this is there's the junkyard. There's another canal. Here's another river. Look at this. Cool. Look at the mist. That is so cool. Alright. On that side too. Okay. Route 83 going towards Hill Ridge. Okay. Over and out. I think we've seen enough. Oh, there's a river. Frozen river. Because it is 0. Now it's 0 degrees. There's a lot of rivers and a lot of canals in here. And there's railroad tracks going to the city. And if you go to the left here, there's white deer that they stocked, the Argonne National Laboratories. So traffic's getting bad. Look behind me. See that? So we just came from bridges and canals of Illinois.